Breathing is life, it's as simple as that. Every cell in your body requires oxygen to function optimally, and it's our lungs' job to provide this essential element. However, our modern lifestyles and environments often expose our lungs to harmful toxins and pollutants. Thus, it's time to shift focus to these vital organs and talk about lung health. Today, we'll dive deep into the art of lung detoxification and cleansing. Understand the importance of lung detoxification. Our lungs are sophisticated and self-cleaning organs. However, factors like smoking, environmental pollutants, and poor air quality can overload their detoxification system. These factors lead to respiratory issues, diminished lung capacity, and reduced general health. Hence, it becomes crucial to support our lungs' natural cleaning process with regular detoxification. Get active. Physical activity is one of the best ways to cleanse your lungs. When you exercise, your breathing rate increases, which helps expel trapped toxins from your lungs. Activities like brisk walking, running, swimming, or even simple deep breathing exercises can go a long way in promoting lung health. Stay hydrated. Hydration plays a critical role in lung detoxification. Consuming adequate water throughout the day helps maintain the mucosal linings in your lungs, aiding in the expulsion of pollutants. Consume lung-friendly foods. Diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining lung health. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, citrus fruits, leafy greens, and nuts, can help counter the effects of oxidative stress caused by pollutants. Spices like turmeric and ginger, rich in anti-inflammatory properties, are also beneficial for lung health. Try breathing exercises. Breathing exercises such as pranayama in yoga are known to improve lung capacity and function. One popular technique is the 4-7-8 exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold the breath for 7 seconds, and exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Regular practice can significantly enhance lung detoxification. Quit smoking. This point cannot be stressed enough. If you're a smoker, the best thing you can do for your lungs is to quit. Smoking causes severe damage to the lungs, impairs their capacity, and hinders their natural detoxification process. Limit exposure to indoor pollutants. Ensure good ventilation in your living spaces and consider investing in air purifiers. Limit the use of chemical-based cleaning agents, aerosol sprays, and air fresheners as they can irritate your lungs and increase toxin levels. Professional medical cleanse. In some cases, a professional medical cleanse may be necessary, especially for long-term smokers or those exposed to heavy pollutants. Please consult a healthcare provider for the best advice in these cases. Your lungs work tirelessly to keep you alive and breathing. It's high time we reciprocate their effort by providing them with the care they deserve. Implement these tips in your routine, and you'll undoubtedly breathe easier and feel better. Remember, the journey to detox and cleanse your lungs isn't a one-time event, but a lifestyle shift for better health and longevity. Your lungs will thank you.